Let's do an if statement today. I'm in Excel and I want to calculate if these different orders on my list are eligible for a discount. I'm going to be offering a 10% discount, which I've got listed in cell L1, if the quantity is greater than 5 dozen cookies, which is 60 cookies or more. So what I'm going to do is figure out in the column F with an if statement if they're eligible for the discount. So here I'm going to start, I'm in cell F2 where I want the answer, and I'm going to go to the if from the logical group in the function library. This is on the formulas tab. Just another way to start a function that you might not be familiar with yet. So I pick the if function, and the logical test is this. Is the quantity in cell C2 greater than or equal to 60 cookies? What do I do if it's true? If it's true, I want to grab this 10% cell here. And I use the cell reference because maybe that's going to change over time. Maybe it's going to go up to 12% or down to 8%, I don't know. And then I want to make that cell absolute. And the way I do that is to add the dollar signs in front of the L and the 1. The dollar signs, you may have seen it before, it's called an absolute reference, and it will keep your cell locked in place. Meaning, if I copy this function down to the other rows, that cell doesn't change to L2, L3, L4. I need it to stay locked on L1. So I put in the absolute reference. And what do I do if it's false? If it's false, they get a 0 discount. And I'll say OK here, and then I see that I've got a 0 there. I'm going to fill that in, and here I can start seeing that these cookie orders have met the 60 cookie 5 dozen order to receive the discount. Now I'm going to take it at this point, and I'll just do a simple formula here. I'm going to say equals this, the total, minus, and then I'm going to use parentheses. You know, the parentheses come first with your order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. You'll use that cell again times that discount amount. Do you follow what I'm doing there? If they get a discount, I'm calculating it and subtracting it all in one motion. And then I'll just enter that into the cell. So that one comes up correctly with $12. There was no change. Let's find one that had a change. So here we had 72 cookies ordered. That qualifies for a discount. It takes me from 54 down to 48.60. That is an if statement.